Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the project so scanning works reliably. Install a maintained camera library like React Native Vision Camera and its View token. Once installed, link native modules and rebuild. Make sure you declare NS camera usage description in info. List and request camera permission on Android at runtime. Next, create a minimal scanner screen component and import the camera view. This immediate work sets native capability. You proceed only after the app can access the physical camera, and the package build, you now implement the core scanning behavior and validation. Render the camera preview and attach a frame processor or on barcode read handler. Once a code appears, throttle handling so you process one result per second and avoid noisy duplicates. Parse the QR payload immediately and validate expected schema or URI scheme. Reject unrelated codes. Then update state, navigate, or call an API with the parsed data. Make sure to stop the processor while handling a result so you don't queue extra reads. You finish by cleaning up and hardening the experience. Ensure you stop the camera and remove frame processors on unmount to avoid memory leaks. Once done, add UI states for scanning, success, and errors. Test across devices, varying lighting and distances, and verify real-world QR prints and screen displays. If scanning fails, make sure to rebuild native modules, run pod install, clear Metro cache, and restart the packager. This resolves most native linkage issues. If still failing, check runtime permissions and device
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.